Mabibi na mabwana, wakubwa kwa wadogo, karibu kwenye Tembea Nasi hapa Kenya Wildlife Service, ambako nakuletea maonyesho moja kwa moja kutoka hifadhi au mbuga ya wanyamapori. Kwa mtazamo wa wanyama mbalimbali, wadogo kwa wakubwa, kaa kitako, furahia na uweze kujielimisha na mengi nitakayokuletea hewani kutoka hapa mbugani. Karibuni. Tunasema nini?
Stoki.
Kwa nini?
Tuniuma babu.
Babu ni kwa wapi? Utaki kwenda kuona? Utaki kwenda kuona?
Sai wataniuma masikio.
You have to stand up. Come. You want to see? Monkeys? You want to see?
Hapa ni kwa wild animals.
Hapa ni kwa?
Wild animals.
So you know? You know? So you know where you are, Queen? Where are you? Where are you, Queen? Queen, tuko wapi? Tuko wapi? Sali tuko wapi? So you know?
Taki.
Patia mama, mimi hata mimi sitaki.
Where are we, people? I brought my children to come and see the wild animals. It's very good. So we really enjoy it. Hey baby,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you?
In Safari Walk.
In Safari Park.
Yes.
What have you come to do here?
To see wild animals like lion and rhino.
Rhino.
Yes.
Which one is your best animal?
Lion.
Lion. So you want to see the lion? Oh, super. Good luck. She's super. Okay. Hey. How are you?
Fine.
Where are you?
Wild in the wild animals.
What do you want to see here?
I want to see a baboon with a giraffe.
A baboon and giraffe?
Yes.
Which one is your best?
Baboon.
Baboon?
Yes.
All the best. Yes, boy. Hi. How are you? How are you, boy? Unaenda kuona nini?
Rhino.
Rhino. Have you ever seen rhino? Look here.
I have not ever seen one.
You've not seen rhino?
Yes.
Okay, Kilian, have you seen rhino?
Because rhino is a wild animal.
How does it look like?
Rhino.
Rhino, how does it look like?
It looks like it has in the front around.
Una buffaloes ndio hizi.
Now you have the buffaloes.
Wapi?
You have the buffaloes around. Opposite. The buffaloes. Now I sing the buffaloes. Come, I carry you. Carry Celine. Carry Celine. Carry Kilian. There the buffaloes. Have you seen buffaloes? They look like a cow. Have you seen them?
Kuna ng'ombe.
No, they look like a cow. Buffaloes, yes. What are those?
Buffalo. 3 buffaloes.
What are those?
There are 4. There's another one.
They're what?
3 buffalo.
Say buffalo. Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Good. They look like
Buffalo.
a cow. They look like
The cow.
good. Now you'll tell your friends. Okay. Hey, hey.
Hi.
I enjoying.
Yes.
Now after seeing the wild animals, what are you going to tell your friends?
I'm going to tell them I saw wild animals.
Like which one? That, okay, let me assume you've not seen them, but you're going to see them.
I'm going to see like lion, rhino, ostrich, snake, all of the wild animals.
All of the wild animals. So she's very, very positive on this tour. She's really enjoying courtesy of. Who has sponsored you for the tour?
Yes.
Who sponsored
My dad.
you for the tour? Really?
Yes.
So the daddy loves them. She's so happy. What a dad. What can you tell daddy?
I can tell you thank you so much. And I'll buy for him something when I grow up.
So when you grab me to buy daddy something,
I'll buy for you something.
okay, I'm waiting just a few years. I want to receive my
And I will
surprise.
tell my parents thank you.
Okay, that's sweet of you. I'm praying. Okay? All the best. Okay, tell me what's something.
This is my mom and I love her.
Thank you for the love.
You're welcome.
Okay, here we are in the back. What is that, Kilian? Yes?
Gillian, call that ostrich to come close to you.
Treat.
Ostrich?
Ostrich.
Color?
See hizo za brown.
Brown.
The black one has the wild beast.
They almost resemble the impalas.
Oh, yeah. I was almost
They are
asking
a
the
little
same.
bit bigger,
Eh,
and their color is also not that so bright as the impalas.
true, I see. So that's why they're
And,
together?
Their horns
The
as
beast.
well. Their horns as well different from there.
Different from the
Turn the
Yeah.
impalas has.
Queen, have you had?
Go in the
Okay. Cock wild beast and the wild beast.
See wildebeest.
Mama hiyo ni rhino mtoto na rhino mama.
Yes.
Umesikia zile naitwaje? Queen, are you right? Art beast.
Art beast.
At beat.
Kwani
Is it art or hat?
hat.
Art
No.
beast.
How many cousins do you have for antelopes or gazelle? Cousins. I think the same family. How many? There are many. Oh. Wow, art
Are you
beast.
seeing a rhino now?
Mama, you will come with
Have you ever seen a rhino?
I don't have it. I don't have it in the house. Next time I'll carry the camera.
the next time I'll come with you.
No, that's the rhino. Have you seen it, Sally?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sinitwa enjoy.
Have you seen the rhino? Okay. Take note.
Ostrich.
This one is a female queen. This one is a female.
Ostrich.
The black ones are
What's
the
queen
male. Okay. Are you watching?
Ostrich.
Okay.
Ostrich.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see.
Angalia hiyo kitu nono ni nini? Didi hiyo kitu nono ni
A
nini?
speed of
50 kilometers per hour. This
Where?
thing runs.
hey.
This thing runs.
Ostrich in Kiswahili is what, queen? What's ostrich in Kiswahili? This tausi. Mbuni.
Mbuni. Tausi. Tausi si ni ile ingine.
Mbuni. Tausi in English.
Tausi. In English is what?
Because me, I always call it an ostrich.
No. Tausi ni. Tausi in English is.
you see the ostriches? That's not a turkey. We've said the white one is a female and the black one is a male. Okay, Queen? Two horns are females and they have white tail. Males? Do males have white? Oh, all of them are. Queen? The impalas.
Yes, the impala.
Check. They have white tail, okay? Oh, inalika?
Yes, ndio. Hii ukipata.
Unaweza pata aje by the way?
Impala.
Shika.
Shiko.
Mtoto.
Say impala. Say tell impala ichukue.
No ostriches. The ostriches huko.
We have ostriches too.
Impala.
The impala is here.
Ostriches.
Acha kushika gari.
Ama uone ziko
Impala.
Mama said tutakunywa.
Stop it. The impalas.
Anasema tutukule. Angalia.
The impala has white tail. Yes. And the antelope is the biggest. Yes. Queen? Egyptian what? Gush.
Gush.
Egyptian gush. These ones. Ati hizi za maji?
Yes.
Na
zinaingia kwa maji.
Zinafanana na gazelle. Difference ni? Yeah, in a gazelle.
This is the male, eh?
Which one? The small,
The one with the long horn.
Oh. Okay. What's the difference with the gazelle?
Ona mama ukiingia kwa hiyo maji una dip.
Eti?
Hippo.
Some hippos on the back.
That's a hippo?
Which one?
Yeah, hippos ndio zile.
Aina. Hiyo kitu nyeusi. What are those?
Crocodile.
No,
The
hippopotamus.
Crocodile haionekani hapa.
Those are the
Unaona kitu
hippopotamus.
hapo ya green. Hii yenye ina swim. Nini?
Now the hippo is there. Have you seen it? Kilian?
Hippo mingi.
Hippo.
Hippo
See those
mingi.
hippos? Hippo.
Crocodile.
Not crocodile. Hippopotamus.
Sasa inasimisha macho yake moja hapo hiyo. Yati
Meiona?
Unaona venye wana enjoy.
Wanaota jua.
Wanaota juu. Uende wapi? Utakukula.
Look here, there. What are that? What are those? The name of those animals?
Rhino.
That's a rhino. Oh, good boy. How many are they?
Rhino.
There.
How many?
How many?
2.
Good. Will you tell your teacher? Okay. And you have, what have you seen?
I have seen giraffe, rhino,
Uh-huh.
and gazelle.
Hippo.
Yes, in the hippo.
Okay. Keep learning.
It's
Yes.
a giraffe.
Yeah, that's a giraffe. It's tall.
When you go closer to see giraffe, it will kick you.
I don't know if it kicks.
Yeah, it do kicks. Where?
But you can feed it
it's
some
dangerous.
leaves. You can feed it some leaves, huh?
You can feed some leaves.
Yes.
Daddy, you
Using
can
your
feed
hand.
some leaves.
Huh?
You can feed giraffe
Yes.
leaves.
Yeah, you can feed them.
It can't
No,
kick you.
doesn't.
It can't kick you when you're feeding.
Oh.
Mama,
Yes.
ile rhino ni mtoto ama baba? Ile ndogo mtoto.
There's a boy and a girl.
Rhino.
The male and female. The other one.
They're
is
not
the-
babies. They are grown-ups. Huh?
Hata hiyo ndogo.
Yes, ni size tu. Sasa mtu kuna mfupi na mrefu.
Kai.
Na mnono na mkonda.
Ujue
Yes.
limekuangalia.
Kilian.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Inafanya nini?
Nakula nyasi.
Na nini? Say shrubs.
Fruit shrub.
Yes. Umeona nini?
Kuanga mingi along nini? Giraffe, zebras.
Yes, it's
Hippos.
it has tall.
Buffalo.
Say tall neck. Tall.
Neck.
Kilian, have you seen the giraffe? Skin. Iko na skin, okay?
Hiyo ni nyama skin.
Skin. Hiyo ni skin. Sawa. Okay. Let's hear from her. What has she seen so far? Yes, hello. What have you seen?
I've seen buffalo. I've seen hippopotamus with duck.
Duck.
Yes.
And the other one that we saw like a cow?
Buffalo.
It's a buffalo. Okay. And there's another one that looks like a gazelle.
That one. Antelope.
What was it?
Antelope.
Not.
Yeah.
It was something.
Antelope.
It was not an antelope. It's not a gazelle. It's a kingfisher. Something like that. Okay.
You didn't carry your book, right?
Now we with the explanation in the video, she'll write down. Okay.
Yes.
The ones that looks like a video. Like a gazelle. What was its name?
Don't remember.
I can't do something. Gansha.
Antelope.
No, it's not an antelope.
Zebra.
Between a zebra, a donkey, and a horse. What's the difference? What is the skin color of a zebra?
Black and white.
Donkey and horse?
Donkey is gray or black.
Donkey is gray or black?
Yes.
And a horse?
Brown.
Brown.
Yes.
But what about the skin?
The skin.
Yes. Which one is so hairy? More hairy?
They cry in that
Yes. Hairy. The skin is so hairy.
The skin is of a horse.
Good. Even the tail is so hairy. Okay.
Kuna zebra zingine
Yes.
huko.
Good guy.
Zebra. Mimi naitwa Debra.
You are Debra and it's zebra. That's
Debra.
fine. Debra zebra.
Debra ameona zebra. Zebra imeona Debra.
Ndio zebra mbili.
They're not three. Count.
Yeah, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Una count 5 juu umeambiwa ni 5, si ndio? Okay, wameonaona, so let's move. Okay. Kilian, what have you seen? What are they?
Buffalo.
Good. Yes. Si wazungu. Ni wa Chinese.
Si ni wazungu.
Ni wazungu wa Chinese. Sawa. Okay. Kwani mzito.
Na mimi hivyo. Lizard. Mona lizard.
Unasema nini? Unataka aje Sally?
Nataka kupatia babu chakula.
Babu chakula.
Ukumaliza. Hawa wataruka. Walikuwa wametupenda. Oh.